Welcome to Katylinks. In this short video, we'll walk through the complete accounting flow in Odoo 19, from product setup to purchase, stock receipt, sale, and final financial reporting. By the end, you'll see how Odoo automatically records every accounting entry and keeps your balance sheet and profit and loss perfectly synchronized. Let's start by creating a new product. Here, I've named the product Odoo 19 Accounting. I've enabled both sales and purchase checkboxes and set the product type to goods, so inventory quantities and costs are tracked. The sales price is $1, the cost is $5, and both sales and purchase taxes are set at 6%. Next, we assign the product to the correct category. The category we're using is called Goods. Under the Categories Accounting tab, we have the income account set to 400,000 product sales, the expense account set to 500,000 cost of goods sold, and the stock account set to 110,100 inventory valuation. Our costing method is average cost, and the valuation is set to automated perpetual, which means Odoo will create all necessary accounting entries automatically. Now let's move to purchasing. We'll create a new purchase order from our vendor named Test Vendor. We'll add our product Odoo 19 Accounting with a quantity of 1 unit, a cost of $5, and a 6% purchase tax. That gives us a total of $5 plus 30 cents in tax. We confirm the purchase order, and once it's confirmed, we receive the goods. When we validate the receipt, Odoo automatically increases inventory by $5 and recognizes the stock value in the balance sheet. Next, we create the vendor bill. Odoo links it automatically to the purchase order and fills in the details. When we post the bill, the system records a debit to stock interim received and a credit to accounts payable along with the purchase tax. This entry increases your inventory asset and your vendor liability automatically. Now let's look at the accounting reports. If we open the balance sheet, we can see the inventory valuation account showing a $5 increase, and under current liabilities, we see accounts payable with the matching $5 credit. The total assets and liabilities balance perfectly. Next, we'll record a sale. We create a sales quotation for our customer, test customer, for 1 unit of the same product at $75 with 6% sales tax. We confirm the order, deliver the product, and then create and validate the customer invoice. When the invoice is posted, Odoo records revenue of $75, cost of goods sold of $5, and tax of $4.50. After posting, the profit and loss report shows $75 in income, $5 in cost of sales, and a gross profit of $70 before tax. On the balance sheet, you'll see the decrease in inventory, the receivable from the customer, and the tax payable recorded automatically. Every step, from purchasing to selling, updates both financial statements in real time. This demonstrates how Odoo 19 manages a complete accounting flow: product setup, inventory valuation, purchase order, vendor bill, sales order, customer invoice, and automatic reporting, all fully integrated. With the correct configuration of journals and product categories, you no longer need manual journal entries. Odoo ensures your books remain balanced, taxes are tracked accurately, and profitability is visible at every stage. For more detailed Odoo accounting and CFO level tutorials, visit Katylinks.com or reach us through MT Bachani CPA for professional Odoo setup and financial automation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Odoo 19 insights.